channel. My name is Eden, and as you can already see by the title, today is going to be a Q&A video. I have asked you guys on Instagram to send me questions, and a lot of you did, so thank you so much for sending me the questions. I'm going to start reading the questions, but before that, let me just say the kind of questions you guys sent me were literally all over the place, so that was interesting. I'm going to just answer 10 questions for today's video, and in no particular order. Okay, I'm just going to start with the questions. Now, the first question is, what motivates you to stay fit and do regular exercise? Let me just tell you, firstly, I'm really flattered that you think that I'm fit, but honestly, I'm not really fit. Okay, I used to go to the gym before the gyms closed, and then after that I just kind of got a little bit lazy, to be honest, and I stopped going to the gym. So I'm not really very fit anymore, but I will be joining very soon, so I will be posting videos on that. But for now, to answer your question, what motivates me is when I see the results after I go to the gym. That's something that I really love, to see the change in my body. So that's something that keeps me going. And I used to go like 5 days a week. I know for some people it's like a lot of workout, but it used to just keep me happy, just give me peace. So I think that is something that used to motivate me to go to the gym and regularly exercise. Okay, so the next question is, okay, I don't understand this question really, so I'm just going to read it again. What you did to upload your YouTube video? You click photo shoot and made it video clip. I don't know what this question is. I don't really understand it, but what I think it is, you're trying to ask me what did I use to upload my YouTube video, and if I made a photo shoot. I don't know what that is, but basically what I did for my previous video is I just used my camera, my phone camera, the iPhone 11, and I uploaded it from my phone itself. I did not use any camera, or I did not use any kind of photo shoot or Photoshop or anything like that, if that's what you're trying to ask. I hope I answered your question. I'm sorry. Okay, the next thing I received was not really a question. It was, if you need any help, I'm there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Okay, another question that I received was favorite Bible verse. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but yes, I am a Christian, and my favorite Bible verse I would say is 1 Corinthians 16:14, which is do everything in love. I really stand by that verse because for me, whatever I do, in my day-to-day life or anything, I always think, there shouldn't be any kind of an ulterior motive behind it. You should just do it just because you want to, out of love. So I think that's something that I hold on to. So yeah, that's my favorite Bible verse. Okay, so the other question is, what's your favorite thing about your personality? Now, my favorite thing about my personality is I'm very upfront. Okay, now I don't know if that's the best quality ever, but for me, I think that really works for me. That's really how I am, because if I don't really like something, or if I like something in a certain way, I speak about it. Okay, I cannot fake it, or I cannot just do it because someone is asking me to do it, or do it because I just have to fit in. Some people say that you have to say certain things, you should not say certain things because you should fit in the box. I don't want to fit in the box. I don't even know where the box is. Okay, I just want to be who I am, and that's how I am. I am very upfront, and obviously there are different ways, or how you put it across. If you want to say something to someone, you don't just say it. You need to also look at how you say it, so that the opposite person doesn't get hurt or get offended. But that's, for me, that is my favorite quality, because I can just speak what I feel or how I feel, not thinking about wanting to fake it or having to fake it. Okay, so yes. Next question is, how so pretty? So this is by my friend, and she always asks me this question. Now, I don't know, I never know what to say to her. Okay, but my answer to this question is going to be genetics. I don't know, but thanks to my mom and dad. Thank you, Swani. Do you have a job, and what made you start a YouTube channel? Yes, I have a job and I work Monday to Friday. It's a full 9 to 5 job. I have my week offs on Saturday and Sunday. And what made me start a YouTube channel? Now, this is a very interesting question, to be honest. I have always wanted to start a YouTube channel. It was like a passion for me, you know. Like when I used to watch YouTubers and lifestyle bloggers, it used to really intrigue me. I always wanted to be like them, and I thought, you know, I really do well because I really love all of this, you know, lifestyle things, fashion things. It might sound lame to some people, but really it was really interesting to me. And I never thought I could, you know, probably make a career out of it, because back then nobody really knew what a YouTuber means. If I had to tell my mom that, you know, I want to be a YouTuber, she'd be like, what what is that even, you know? So I couldn't really go ahead and think about that being my career. But now, with everything changing, everything developing, it is really easy for people to actually become a YouTuber now, rather than, you know, comparing it to years ago. Okay, so for me, I thought, why not just give it a try? You know, it's always something that I wanted to do. And in fact, I wanted to start a YouTube channel last year in 2020, but I just could not. I don't know why, I just could not do it. But this year I was like, no, I have to start it. You know, I'm just gonna give it a try. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, that's the answer to the question. I know it's very long, but thank you for asking that question. Okay, next question is, it's in Hindi, so my Hindi is really bad, so I'm just gonna try. It's, आप बताइए कि आप कौन सा brand पसंद करते हो. I don't know what are you asking me about. Are you talking about cosmetics? Are you talking about bags, perfumes? What? I don't know. But I'm not really a brand conscious person. I am okay with anything as long as it's cute. I love cute things. I love pink things if it's not really clear already. But no, I'm not having any specific brand. I'm okay with all the cute stuff. I love cute stuff. I mean, which girl doesn't, right? Okay, so the next question is, what do you like the most about the fashion industry? Now, I don't really know a lot about the fashion industry per se, but what I do think is that fashion is a really beautiful form of art. Okay, and what I love about it is that it showcases an individual's personality. You know, that's what I love. So that's what I think about it. Okay, so the last question for today's video is, so how far do you think you would take this YouTube channel? And since it's travel, makeup, challenges, etc., and will you have Ed merchandise? Now, that's a very interesting question, actually. Now, I've said this a billion times, you know, YouTube is like my passion, and making an income out of your passion is very difficult or very rare, at least in my knowledge. And for me to go ahead and make an income out of my passion, I'd really be very, very happy. And what I plan on doing is being consistent and, you know, posting good content for you guys. And where this channel goes, we shall see. But for now, I'm just looking forward to making good content for y'all. And for the next question, will I be having Ed merchandise? I just started my channel. How will I have Ed merchandise so soon? Yeah, but I think I will have it. Okay, at some point. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much once again for sending me all these questions. They were really interesting and a lot of fun to film. I will be making a lot of Q&A videos on different topics, of course, and please stay tuned for that. For today's video, this is all. I just want to also thank you all for all the love that you all sent to me through DMs and messages on my first video. It was really helpful and supportive, and thank you so much for all the feedback also. And again, if you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to turn on the post notifications so that you get notified every single time I post a video. For now, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.